guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing good. Today's recipe is yet another simple and tasty recipe. It's a fish curry. I have taken 5 pieces of katla fish. The whole fish weighs around 3 kilos. I have marinated the fish pieces with some salt and turmeric powder, and I have also taken 1 medium onion. Half of it I have sliced and grated the half of it. 1 medium tomato chopped in cubes. Half an inch of ginger grated. 1 head of cauliflower which approximately weighs around 300 grams. I have cut it into medium florets as required. Also, I have taken 3 small potatoes sliced, 5 to 6 green chilies that I have slit, and fresh coriander leaves chopped. Before start cooking the fish curry, in a saucepan I'll boil some water and soak the cauliflower for about 15 minutes. In the meanwhile, I'll fry the marinated fish pieces in refined oil. You can use mustard oil or whichever you prefer. I'll first fry one side of the fish till it turns golden brown. And then flip the fish and fry another side. When all the fish are fried, in the same oil, I will fry my potato slices, adding some salt and turmeric powder. I'll fry it till it's 50% cooked. Now, lastly, I'll fry the cauliflower florets that I have kept and fry it with some salt and turmeric. I'll cook it till it's half done. Keeping all the fried fish, potatoes and the cauliflower aside, I'll start preparing the curry. For that, in a kadhai, I'll heat up 3 tablespoons of refined oil. Then I'll add sliced onions and saute it until it turns translucent. Then add the grated onion and the ginger. Saute them until they turn aromatic. Then add tomatoes and green chilies along with the salt. The salt helps the tomato to get mushier in a very short time. Now I'll mix everything well and saute them for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'll stir the fried masalas and check whether the tomatoes are done. Once the tomatoes becomes mushy, we will add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder. With the powder masala, I added little water so that the masalas don't get burnt. Now I will mix all the powdered masalas with the fried onions and cook it for 5 minutes, keeping the lid closed. After 5 minutes, I will check the masala. The masalas are well cooked. So now I will add half cup of water and let it get a boil. Once the water starts boiling, I'll add the fried potatoes and cauliflower and let it cook for another 5 minutes with closed lid. In between this 5 minutes, I'll open the lid and stir it again. Again close back the lid and let them cook. I'll cook the potatoes and the cauliflower till it's 90% cooked and they are nicely coated with the masala. As we are making a curry, hence I'll add 1.5 cup of water once my vegetables are well coated with the masala. Once the water starts boiling, I'll add in the fried fish. At this stage, you can check for the seasoning and add if it's required. And let this curry cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the curry is done. I'll finally add the chopped coriander leaves and serve the fish curry with hot steamed rice. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked this recipe of ours. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It will mean the world to us, and don't forget to hit the bell button to get the notification of more yummy upcoming recipe of ours. Thank you. Bye.